In a house fire, every second counts. You need next-generation protection. That means interconnected photoelectric smoke alarms that sound together, giving you an immediate warning which saves lives. That's why Queensland law requires these next-gen smoke alarm systems. By the 1st of January 2027, every home, new, existing or rental, must comply. Here's what's required. Only photoelectric alarms. No ionisation alarms. They're outdated and less reliable. Hardwired with a battery backup or a sealed 10-year lithium battery. Interconnected, so when one alarm goes off, they all sound. Alarms must be in all bedrooms, connecting hallways, and on every level. Foxtone Andy's makes compliance simple, with expert supply and installation of interconnected smoke alarms to keep your home safe and legal. Compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about giving your family the best chance of safety when it matters most. Fires don't wait. Protect your family now with Foxtone Andy's friendly team of smoke alarm experts.